Hey guys, Jeff with Westcott Designs. So we are just finished up this truck here. This is a 1794, and as you can see, it doesn't look like a 1794 anymore because we did a bunch of paint work on it. We did the mustache all up in the front here. This was like a silver satin finish. We painted all this, smoked the headlights here, painted gloss black in the grills here, painted all the fender trim here, even went in and did some paint work on the upper plastic here. The mirror caps, painted all those. The side molding here is usually chrome. We painted all that. The door handle's been painted. All the window trim molding's been painted. And then around the back, the rear taillights were smoked on it. And then in the back here, we painted the rear bumpers. And with that, we installed some rigid flush mount lights in the back. But the truck came out really nice. It's got some, I mean, it doesn't even look like a 1794 when we stand here and look at this truck. So as far as wheels go, it's a Method 318, and it is it's a 17 by 8.5 with a plus 18 offset, or excuse me, it's a 35 12.5 tire with an 18 and an 18-inch wheel. So it's an 18 by 9 with a plus 18 offset on this. I get my numbers mixed up all the time. So, but this is the gloss finish on these wheels. They look really nice. These are the Nitto Ridge Grapplers. Very common tire. It's been around for a while now, but it is still very popular. And if you look at it, how it sits, it's just a little bit outside the wheel well. It's about an 1.5 inches outside the wheel well on the bulge on the tire on that. It's got a set of our Westcott Designs rock sliders on it. These are a set of 0 degree. These are MIG welded DOM. We make these out of 188 wall. And you can see up in the front, we talk about the curve in the front here to design to match the lower part of the rocker panel. This has our Westcott Designs lift in the front. It does not have our lift in the back. It has a set of Dobinsons in the back. And the reason for that is because it has a deck system, drawer system in the back. And I'll show that to you as well. But that adds some weight. So we always tell anybody, if you're gonna add weight to the back of the vehicle, because we design our lifts to be like within a 1/4 inch front to back. So best case scenario, we say if you're gonna do something, either run an airbag in the back or run a different spring in the back to offset for that weight so you don't get a sag in the back. Show you the deck system in the back, very nice. You do lose some height in here, which is given. But with the deck system, the way it mounts in here and the drawers, the way they pull out, super nice. They got ball bearing rolling, so super smooth. If you're into fishing or you need to measure stuff, you've got that all across the back here. The floors on these are super stout. And then there's some storage compartments in the side so you can maximize all the storage on this floor and you don't lose any of the space with it. Walk around the front. I showed you the rigid lights back here. We've got some rigid fogs here. We've got the Fab 4 front bumper. We talk about this bumper all the time and just how nicely it's made, how they're final when they go in and sand everything and how clean it is. The finish on it. I mean, when we powder coat these bumpers for them, we really don't have to do any prep work or anything with it. We literally are just we basically primer coat it, we powder coat it, and it's good to go. But like all the fit and finish is really nice. The gaps on both sides, the cuts across the front. When I look down the side of it, it has a really nice straight edge. They put a lot of time in it. I like how the tow hooks are tucked up underneath inside here. They're kind of, so they don't take away from any of the ground clearance, but they're right where a tow hook should be on the front of this truck to maximize the ground clearance. And when I look at it from the side, it follows the lines of the front lower part of the bumper really nice across the front. I guess if it was my truck, the only thing I would change on this would be the hook in the front. I would run a factor 55 that just fit nice up across the front of the truck. Obviously this is the one that comes with the Warren winch. This is in synthetic line, 10K Evo that it has. I'm noticing here with the rigid front light bar, we did change out the grill on this. This has our light bar mount here in the front. It also has the lower and upper bracket on here, so it really makes the light hold in there. It's not supported by the grill. Our bracket really supports that to keep from it ever breaking off or popping off. And then it's got the Rave Raptor lights on here. They fit in there really nice. We've now got the plane circling to see this vehicle. Happens every once in a while. Actually, we're near the airport. So anyways, hope you guys enjoy this. Thank you guys for watching. We appreciate you guys.